Song goes something like this. I love you, Taylor Hawkins, and I fucking miss you so bad. Right before we released our song, holy fuck, I was able to talk to my brother before he passed away, so sorry to get a little emotional, but can you guys just one time for me, because I know he's out there watching in heaven. I know he is, because I love you, honey. I know you're up there. Can you guys scream so fucking loud for my friend Taylor Hawkins, please? You know what he said? He said, nah, I can't fucking hear those guys. Get a little bit louder. Thank you. This goes out to Taylor and his family. This one's called Switchblade Butterfly. Don't fall asleep, just stay awake. Freeways sound like waves hitting sands. It's in my plans, don't be too late. But I can see those cotton candy castles in the sky, where we will all go in time. Never die or even cry, so dry your eyes. Switchblade butterflies. My heart is cracked, but that's all.